Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Seek Knowledge with Yusra. As you all know, in my previous video I have explained you the chapter Home Sweet Home. Hope it's useful to you all and understood the chapter well. But today's topic is science. We studied the chapter Nutrition in Plants. Let's start and please don't skip the video. This chapter Nutrition is Plant is taken from this book of science. This is NCERT books for class 7th. Please observe the first chapter Nutrition in Plants. If you like my video, so please comment, share and subscribe my channel. Science. Let's start. Nutrition in plants. In class 6th, you have learned that food is essential for all living organisms. You also learned that carbon dioxide, protein, fats, minerals are the components of environment. These components of environment are called nutrition and are necessary for our body. All living organisms require food. Plant can synthesize food for themselves, but animal, including human, cannot. They get it from plants or animals that we eat. Thus, human and animals are indirectly depends on plants. Because plants make food by the process of chlorophyll, water, sunlight, carbon dioxide. This process is called photosynthesis. Mode of nutrition. Plants are the only organism that can prepare food for themselves by using water, carbon dioxide, mineral. The raw material are present in the surroundings. Nutrition. Definition of nutrition is the process by which the body takes in and use food. Nutrition is one of the most important factors of keeping a healthy living body. So, plants are two types. The process by which plants make food with the help of autotrophs are called photosynthesis. And the definition of autotroph is the mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substance is called autotrophs. Auto means trophs and trophs means nourishment, nutrition. Therefore, plants are called autotrophs. Animal and most other living organisms take in food prepared by plant. They are called heterotrophs. Now, people want to know why our body cannot make food from carbon dioxide, water and minerals. Now, in this question, we may ask where the food or factory of plants are located, whether food is made in all parts of plants or animal in certain parts. How do plants obtain their raw material from the surroundings? And how do they transfer them to the food factory of plants? So, as many questions come in our mind. The World Food Factory. Leaves are the food factory of plants, as you all know. There, all the raw materials must reach the leaf, water and mineral present in the soil and absorbed by the root and transported to the leaf. And carbon dioxide from air is taken from through the tiny pores present on the surface. These pores surrounded by a augurate cell. Such pores are called stomata. Water and mineral are transported to the leaves by the vessel which run like pipe throughout the root, the system, the branches and the leaves. They form a continuous path and passage for the nutrition to reach the leaf. They are called vessels. You will learn more about transport of mineral in the chapter 11th. So now please observe this cell. You have seen the building are made of bricks. Similarly, the bodies of living organisms are made up of tiny units are called cell. Cell can be seen only under the microscope. Some organisms are made of only one cell. The cell by a thin outer boundary called cell membrane. Most cells have a distinct centrally located. Sapericulture are the nuance. The nuance is surrounded by a jelly-like substance is called chlorophyll. This is the Gurrid cell. During the process of oxygen is released, the presence of starch in leaves indicate the photosynthesis. Starch is also a carbon dioxide. Please observe this leaf. Have you ever seen this leaf? Colorful leaf. You often see simile green peaches in ponds and stagnant water bodies. These are generally formed by the growth of organisms or called algae. Can you guess why algae are green in color? They contain chlorophyll which gives them the color. Algae can also prepare their own food by photosynthesis. So this is basic question synthesis of food other than carbon dioxide. This is the basic one that is coming in our mind. So I will tell you the answer of this question. Please listen carefully. You have just learned that plants synthesize carbon dioxide through the process of photosynthesis, and the carbon dioxide are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These used to synthesize other components of food such as protein, fats, bad proteins are nitrogen substance which contain nitrogen. From where do plants obtain nitrogen? Recall that nitrogen is present in gases from the air. However, plants cannot absorb nitrogen in the form soil has certain bacteria that converts gases nitrogen into a unable form and release it into the soil. These are absorbed by a plant along with water. Also, you might have seen farmers adding fertilizer rich in nitrogen to soil. In this way, the plant fulfill their requirements of nitrogen along with all constituents. And plant then synthesis proteins and vitamins. You might have seen packets of mushroom and solid in vegetables. What is saprotrops? This is a basic question that you want to ask me. You may have also seen umbrella like a pitches growing in the moist soil on the rotating during the rainy season. Let us find out the type of nutrition they need to survive from they get them. Also this picture leaf modify where it's picture please 2 minutes. So sorry for now. Please see this picture. Leaf modify into the picture. Cactus is the parasites. Are we and other animals also of kinds of parasite? You should think about it and discuss with your teacher. Now, what is saprotrops? The mode of nutrition in which organisms take in nutrition from that and taking matter is called saprotrops. So this is saprotrop. Hope you understand. Now we come on 1.5, how nutrition repelled in the soil. Have you seen farmer spreading manure or fertilizer in the fields or gardener using them in laws or in pots? Do you know why this is done? You learned that plants absorb minerals and nutrition from the soil. So the amount of soil keeping, tooling, fertilization and manure contain nutrition such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, etc. These nutrition needed to be added from time to time to enrich the soil. We can grow plant and keep it healthy. Yes, I think this is a very good idea. We grow a plant and keep it healthy. If we can fulfill the nutrition requirements